let's fly through this real quick. It's just going to be a basic pure install lights patch. Okay, so we got this. Looks terrible. Let's exit. Okay, drop this down. We're going to go to pure extract all, which I already have it set to downloads. Okay, so pop this up. We're going to pop up two of them. So my downloads, I already have pure right here. And then over here is my root folder. Now, if you don't have your root folder, you can just simply pop up Steam. Okay, you have the game here. Right click, manage, browse local files. That's your root folder. Pin it to quick access, which is why I have it already. Okay, that's out the way. So we'll go back to downloads, pure. We're gonna need these right here. So Control C, paste this in the root folder. Replace the files. Pure's installed. Lights patch, there's times where you can just drag and drop it in Content Manager, say a dead space here. But we're just going to go the old school way. Again, extract all. I already have it. This one's going to be 2. So it's going to be extension ND right. So Control C, paste Control V. It's going to ask me to replace, I think. Actually, I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, I'm an idiot. Control C. Control V. Now we're in the root folder. Okay. So there goes extension. Now let's get the DWrite file. Control C. Control V. Replace the file. Now we want to get some graphics. So like Exility, for example. This is again already extracted. Okay. So it's going to be these two here. So Shift Control C. Let's get this out of the way. Root folder again. Control V. Replace files. I already have it installed on this. Okay, we're done. We have pure lights patch. Now we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to custom shaders patch. We're going to go to the weather effects. Drop this down. We're going to have pure. Boom. We're going to go to set a course of video settings. Enable post processing. We have pure or Exility. Reflections 2048. Okay. Oh, one important one. So go to drive menu. Weather. Make sure you have pure active. And then now we're going to activate it within the session as well. So just hit drive, right click, pure config, activate it with the full flashing effects. Boom, boom. Okay, pure planner. Let's do some rain. Boom. Function F5. And there you go. Now you have like that snow, right? You can drop the wind speed. Boom. Go back to type. And then you can just go through a bunch of different settings. And then even on this, if you wanted to, you could uncheck here. You could add rain. Just give it a moment. There you go. So you could do that. And then right bar, since this is Exility, you have all this as well. So there's just like more stuff you can mess with. But that's a quick guide. So hopefully this helps you out. And yeah. Alright, we're out.